And so we're going to stop at the bottom, start at the bottom where the button's at, and we're going to pull and give it some slack. That should be good enough, and then we're just going to fold it over the crease just a little bit like that. Slide it down till it catches. You can see the crease is coming out across there, and then just pull quickly and it flips it over. So let me show you. As you can see, it's flipped backwards. So let's flip it forward. Start at the stopping button, pull it, give it some slack, fold in your crease, fold so you have a crease, slide your buckle all the way down until the crease comes out of your buckle part. You'll see it. There it is. See the little crease right there? And now all you got to do, push it up a little bit more and just pull quickly, and it flips it. And now the seat buckle is the right way because this is the back way. If it was the wrong way, then it'd be flipped over like this. So, as you can see, if you go put it on, it slides on perfect. Alright, you guys, until next time, thanks for watching, and subscribe.